Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. So for today's makeup tutorial, I wanted to show you how to get this gold green glam eye makeup look. I felt like it was a really pretty look, especially now for the fall weather. I love that the leaves are changing all around us, and I was really inspired with a change of seasons to create this makeup look. So I really hope that you guys like it. If you'd like to see how to get this look right here, don't forget to subscribe down below and keep on watching. So let's get started with today's video. So for today's video, we're going to be using the Storybook Cosmetics palette. It's this beautiful palette right here. And we're going to be starting off with the shade Nottingham. So we're going to be placing this shade all over our eye crease, specifically where the crease would be. And then we're just going to be blending that out using windshield wiper motions. Then taking the color Quiver, we're taking this just on the outer edge of the crease. So we want to start the emphasizing of the color on the outer edge of the eye, and then we just want to slowly blend it in to the crease. And then moving on to the shade Merry Men. This is a beautiful green shade. We're going to be focusing this color directly on the outer edge of the eye. So we're going to be placing it and then blending out, and again just focusing this color directly on the outer edge. So we're not bringing it in as we did the other colors, just focusing it just on the outer edge, and then just really blend it out. Next shade is going to be Robin Hood, and this is a beautiful green shimmery shade. We're going to be using this right over top, so I'm just kind of placing it and then blending it right over the green that we just placed on the outer edge of our eye. Then picking up the shade Maid Marian, I'm placing this color directly onto the eyelid, on the inner part of the eyelid as well as the center part of the eyelid. As you can see, I'm doing tapping motions, that way I can apply the eyeshadow and at the same time really blend it out onto the green shade. That way everything looks nice and blended. Then going back into the shade Merry Men, I'm applying this to the lower lash line. That way you can add that really nice drama and kind of really tie the whole eyelid together. Then to finish off the look, I'm applying the shade Forest. I'm applying this to the outer edge of the lower lash line as well as just to the very top edge of the eyelash. So I just really wanted to kind of emphasize that and create a little bit of drama, sort of like if you were adding some eyeliner. Then to just make sure everything is really nicely blended, I'm going back into the shade Quiver and I'm applying that on the big fluffy brush, and I'm just sweeping that back and forth again to just make sure everything is nice and even and really nicely blended. Then taking the Big Clean Mascara by Kosas Cosmetics, I'm taking this mascara and I'm applying it to my lashes. I'm giving them a really good coat. This mascara is really amazing, so just a really good coat of this mascara is all you need. I'm then taking the Tartiest eyeliner, and this is in the shade Burgundy, and I wanted to add just a little something more, so I added this liner onto my waterline, and I feel like this really gave a little bit more of a pop that it really needed. I'm then applying the bronzer from this Rimmel London palette. I really like this bronzer for sculpting and for contouring as well. So I'm applying it onto the parts of my face where I do want to kind of bronze a bit, add some contour, and then here I'm pinching the brush and I'm actually dragging it down the sides of my nose. That way you can have a nice contoured nose and not too dramatic. Then one of my absolute favorite blushes right now is the Rare Beauty Love Blush. This one's so pretty, so I'm applying it to the high points of my cheek and I'm blending it out. And what this does is it actually is a trick and it makes your cheeks look nice and lifted. So this is a really good trick. And now to highlight, we're going to be using the Estate highlighter. This is in the shade Pearl. This is a beautiful big highlight and it's really pretty. So I just added it to the high points of my face where I did want to highlight, of course, my cheekbones, over my brow bone. I also wanted to apply it to my nose, on my cupid's bow as well. And then after this, I also applied some to the inner tear duct of my eye, just to have that extra little pop on the eyes as well. And then I'm just taking a big fluffy brush. This is one of my tricks. I just like to kind of blend everything together, make sure that nothing's overpowering anything else. So I'm just making sure that everything looks really blended. Next, I'm applying the Gerard Cosmetics lip pencil in the shade Mudslide, and I'm just using this to line my lips and then add some extra drama to the outer edge of them as well to create that nice ombre effect. And then one of my absolute go-to lipsticks right now is the Lancome. This is the Lucky Kiss lipstick. This one is so beautiful. I feel like it's great for every day. You can really punch it up by adding a lot more color or just make it very nice and light by just dabbing it on. It's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and then to just finish off the look, I'm shaking up some of the Always an Optimist Mist by Rare Beauty, and I'm just spraying this all over and drying that up. That way I can have a nice finished look. And this is the final result. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe down below. And until next time, remember to always create a life that you love.